Hello students. Today we are going to study the further topic of life process in living organisms part 1. Today we are going to take an information about lipids, vitamins and types of vitamins. Now what are lipids? The substances formed by specific chemical bond between fatty acids and alcohol are called as an lipids. Now lipids are the macromolecules made up of fatty acid monomers, and the function of lipids includes structural support for the cell, energy storage and cell signaling. Lipids are non-polar in nature and do not interact with water. Now these are the macromolecules, means bigger molecules which are made up of fatty acids. Now main types of lipids are triglycerides, phospholipids, steroids and waxes. Now what are the sources of lipids? We can get fats or lipids from nuts, fish, oil, almonds, etc. And we get 9 kilocalories of energy from per gram of lipids. And the excess amount of lipids are stored in adipose connective tissue. Then we are also going to take an information about vitamins. Now what are vitamins? Vitamins are a group of heterogeneous compounds of which each is essential for proper operation of various processes in our body. There are main 6 types of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Out of this, vitamin A, D, E and K are called as an fat soluble vitamins. Now what are fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins means those vitamins which are soluble in fat. म्हणजेच जे विटॅमिन मेदामध्ये विरघळू शकतात त्यांना आपण फॅट सोल्युबल विटॅमिन्स असं म्हणूया. आता इथे या स्लाइडमध्ये तुम्ही पाहू शकता विटॅमिन ए which is known as a fat soluble vitamin. It is responsible for vision, reproduction, bone health, immunosystem and skin. For all this proper development we require vitamin A. Similarly, we require vitamin D to strengthen our bone, calcium absorption and to maintain our immunosystem. Similarly, vitamin E is required to maintain our good immunosystem and to remove the toxins from our body. Toxins means poisonous substances. Then next is vitamin K. It is useful for blood clotting and to maintain the bone health. So for all this purpose we require fat soluble vitamins. Then second type of vitamins are known as water soluble vitamins. Now vitamin B and C are called as water soluble vitamins. म्हणजेच जे विटॅमिन पाण्यामध्ये विरघळू शकतात त्यांना आपण वॉटर सोल्युबल विटॅमिन्स म्हणूया. आणि त्यांचे सोर्सेस काय काय असू शकतील? दे आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम ऑरेंज, देन tomatoes, etc., eggs, etc. Then water is also an essential nutrient. There is about 65 to 70% water in the body. Each cell contains 70% of water by weight. Blood plasma also contains 90% of water. Now why water is essential in our body? Because it maintains the body temperature. Water is responsible to maintain the body temperature. Then it is also responsible to transport nutrients and waste materials throughout the body. म्हणजेच टाकाऊ पदार्थ बाहेर काढण्यासाठी सुद्धा आपल्याला पाण्याची गरज असते. So for all these purposes we require water, and so water is also known as an essential nutrient. The next one, fibers are also essential nutrients. In fact, we cannot digest fibers. फायबर म्हणजेच तंतुमय पदार्थ. शरीरातील टाकाऊ पदार्थ बाहेर काढण्यासाठी फायबरचा उपयोग केला जातो आणि हे तंतुमय पदार्थ आपल्याला पालेभाज्या, फळांपासून उपलब्ध होऊ शकते. So these are the various sources of fibers. So fiber is also an essential nutrient. So today we had taken information about vitamins and types of vitamins. Thank you very much.